Greetings, students. Dr. Z here, live from atop the bell tower at St. Mary's Cathedral in downtown Portland, just 1 week before Christmas. But you know what I'm thinking about? I'm thinking about you. And how, if we work together, we can truly make this the best class ever. So I hope you'll join me. I hope you'll join me as we ring in the new year and work together to make this truly the best class ever. I hope I don't get in trouble for ringing that bell. Anyway, Dr. Z, hope you had a fabulous Christmas, fabulous New Year, and let's make this truly the best class ever. Over and out for now.